At SPC, we're committed to southwestern Pennsylvania. Our region is over 7,000 square miles. More than 2.5 million people live here, work here, go to school here, and play here. There are over 1 million homes, over 100,000 businesses, thousands of farms, hundreds of schools, places of worship, and parks. There are hospitals, rivers, big cities, and small towns, and an incredible network of infrastructure connecting it all together. There are over 25,000 miles of roadways, almost 10,000 bridges, hundreds of transit routes, 200 miles of commercial waterways, 17 locks and dams, more than 24 airports, over 1,300 miles of railroads, hundreds of miles of walking, hiking, and biking trails, and each day, more than 7.5 million trips are taken on our transportation network throughout the region. At SPC, we're committed to keeping our region connected and moving forward. That's why we're investing over $29 billion in our region's infrastructure over the next 25 years through Mapping the Future, the Southwestern PA Plan. The region's long-range transportation and development plan is the mechanism for connecting the regional vision to the official, coordinated implementation program of projects and actions. The regional vision is transportation and land use that supports and enhances the regional economy and the communities within it. Mapping the Future, the Southwestern PA Plan, prioritizes programs and projects that have been developed to address the region's pressing needs to maintain and preserve our existing transportation assets for the sustainability of the region's economic competitiveness and the vitality of our communities. Projects in the plan improve air quality, reduce travel delay, and increase safety. We're investing $29.6 billion into transportation infrastructure to keep our region connected and moving forward. Investment that accomplishes good stewardship of the existing system. Investment that improves the safety and reliability of the system. Investment that utilizes all modes to enhance communities and strengthen the region's economy. We're investing $14.3 billion into improving our roadways, rehabilitating our bridges, coordinating our traffic signals to help people move more efficiently, building new bike paths and walking trails, upgrading our parkways and tunnels, increasing our safety, and improving our air quality. We're investing $14.6 billion in our public transit system to support our bus and light rail facilities, park and rides, and new technology and equipment. The plan kicks off additional implementation work, such as a new regional freight plan, a new regional active transportation plan for bicycle and pedestrian facilities, and a comprehensive economic development strategy for job growth. And we're tracking how well we're doing as we go. The plan uses a set of 40 performance measures developed through a public process, such as structurally deficient bridge deck, pavement condition, and travel delay to keep track of our progress. Our region's transportation infrastructure is vast, and it deserves to be well maintained, because without it, we're not going anywhere. But keeping our region moving forward also means looking beyond maintenance and preservation, and finding new ways to invest in additional projects that advance our economy and improve our communities. That means being leaders in adopting emerging technologies, taking advantage of more efficient and sustainable ways to get around, and giving people more options to get where they need to go, like integrating bus rapid transit with community development, like creating more connections between the region's bike routes and trails, like making it easier to move from one transit system to another throughout the region, and other projects that keep our region moving forward. For specific project and funding information, check out Mapping the Future, the Southwestern PA Plan, at www.southwesternpaplan.org.